Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be troubleshooting another deployment, and this one is a lab for the CKA exam, so the Kubernetes CKA exam that I'm trying to pass here soon. And this one is the KillerCoda website, which is a free website. You can also pay for it if you want to have more minutes, and it also give you a lot more stuff. But I have just the free version that anybody can use right now. So let's read and see what the issue is. Pods are not running. Find the error and fix it. So a deployment has been imported from another Kubernetes cluster. Okay. But it seems like the pods are not running. Fix the deployment so that it would work in any Kubernetes cluster. So it is coming from another cluster, right? It was imported from another cluster. That means that it probably has, it was scheduled, right? It was scheduled probably to a different node. So maybe we have to look at something like that. Let's do a get deployment to verify that. So it has 5 replica sets, but none of them are running. All right. So if we go instead of deployments, we can go to pods. All right. So we can see all of them in here. We can copy one of them. And instead of get, we can say like describe. No, not errors. We can see labels over here. We can see a staging node. Oh, look at that. So this one, the node, right? So it was probably scheduled to a different node on the other cluster that it was at. And the node right here says staging node 1. Do we have that? Do we have a node called that? Get nodes. We only have the control plane here. So, and they also tells you right there, fix the deployment so that it will work in any Kubernetes cluster. So we probably want to delete that right here. So how do we do that? Let's go ahead and edit the deployment. What is it called? Management, I think it is. Yep. All right. So 5 replica sets is a-okay. I think we want to look for the node. Where is the node? Node. Oh, right here, node name. Bam, bam. We want to delete that. And I think that's it. We have, take a look at everything else. We have labels. It should be fine. Labels are fine. Type, rolling update, everything, containers, image. There's no node affinity, no tolerations. So I think they should work fine now. Let's go ahead and save it now. It has been edited. So if we do a get pods, we can see here that it is going to delete the old ones and create new ones. What it's basically going to do. Oh, and you can see over here that there's running now, and this one are going to be terminated. So this one was the old deployment, right? That we edited, and this is the new one now. So it is deploying 5 new replica sets, and the other ones are still terminated. So I think that was it for that. That was an easy one, not too hard, right? If you understand the concepts, or you know how a pod gets scheduled and how everything works, this one should be an easy one for you. There we go. They're all running now. And now let's see if we check this guy. Validation successful. So that was it, guys. We just needed to delete that node name because it was going to some node staging 1, I think it was. And we just fixed that really easy. So yeah, guys, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video so everybody can see it. Trying to get for the CKA exam, Kubernetes CKA exam. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.